Good morning, students. Welcome you all in this video. Today we will discuss story of the moment. First story, The Lost Child, and the writer of this story is Mulk Raj Anand. In this story, a child goes to a fair with his parents. He is very happy and excited and wants the sweet toys displayed there, but his parents don't buy them for him. Why then does he refuse when someone else offered them to him? You will find out this. Mulk Raj Anand, as you know, was an Indian writer in English, and he is admired for his novels and short stories, which have acquired the status of being classical works of modern Indian English literature, noted for their perceptive insight into the lives of the oppressed and their analysis of impoverishment, exploitation, and misfortune. He is also notable for being among the first writers to incorporate Punjabi and Hindustani idioms into English. So first of all, students, I am telling you summary of the story. There is a little child who was very excited to visit the fair. The journey to the fair was overwhelming. On the way, he was often attracted by the things which he witnessed on the way. In the fair, he was attracted by the toys displayed in the shop. He wanted to buy toys, but his parents refused to buy them. Then there were sweet shops, several types of sweets, but child wanted to eat them. His favorite sweet was burfi. His mouth watered, but his parents paid no attention to his request. He often walked behind his parents, and sometimes he was attracted by the things in the fair. He lagged behind his parents. In the meantime, his parents also gave him a cautionary call, "Come, child, come." But in the end, he came to a place where a roundabout was in full swing. There are many people, women, children, men. They shrugged and cried with dizzy laughter. The child also wanted to go on the roundabout. He made a request to fulfill his desire, but there was no reply because his parents was not there. Actually, he was attracted by the roundabout. He stayed and watched the roundabout. To his surprise, when he turned to look for his parents, he did not find them. Actually, he was lost. Now, he started to cry. There was a kind person who came there and picked him up in his arms. He was ready to buy all the things he wanted earlier, but now he refused to take. He only said, "I want my mother, I want my father." So, student, this is the summary. There is a message of the story. It is a short story about a child, his demands, realization. The story mainly focused on the awareness of parents. The message is, we don't understand the true value of parents and take them as granted. But when we lost it, at that time we know what is the importance of the parents. In this story, what the little child realized once he got lost in the fair, the ending of the story is really very emotional. So, students, I think able to understand this story. Thank you.